Hi, Dr. Gary here on the road. We are dental practice brokers nationwide. And it's very sunny out. Excuse me, I'll get my glasses on. Today's topic is dealing with an arrogant city leasing agent. Headaches for 3 months so far. We'll talk about what happened. As you know, we're dental practice brokers nationwide. We're in multiple number of states now. We have 10 employees, including 2 CPA accountants. Now, you can reach us now 363 days a year. We pick up the phone every day except Christmas and Easter. Our phone number is 201-663-0935. And our website is dentalpracticeguide.com or nationwidedentalpracticebrokers.com. Now, we've been doing this for 13 years, and I was a dentist for 25. All the information you're about to hear today is for entertainment purposes. It is not business or legal advice. Now, if you're thinking about selling to one of the large DSOs and your practice is over 1.7 million, has 5+ chairs, and the doctor seller is willing to stay on and has an associate on location, we could probably sell your practice to a DSO. And we'll pick and choose who we think the best ones for you are, and then you make the decision. The marketplace with DSOs is changing significantly. So you want to be aware. We try to stay on the cutting edge. We see what's going on, who's buying, who's not buying, who's having financial trouble, who's cannot get financing for certain deals and is being sold to another broker. You wouldn't believe what's going on. So we're on the cutting edge, we feel, of all that, and we can bring that to you. Now, we pick and choose who we think the best DSOs are. And when we bring a DSO, and often they'll pay our commission, so there'll be no commission to you. In addition, when you work with us, there is a legal fees that gets reimbursed to you based on certain criteria, choosing the right dental attorney. But fees that get reimbursed to you, and we'll take care of you. Very important. We've done that several times. Okay. So anyway, what happened? We have this arrogant city leasing agent. All we're trying to do is get a lease assignment, which means the seller assigns the lease to a buyer. These are 2 tenants in the same, building. I think there's 2 buildings, and both buildings are owned by the same landlord. They're like right across the street from each other. So these tenants have been there for a while, and they're good tenants. So you would think doing a lease assignment, even though it's on another building, and so forth, the tenant has a good track record. So it's been 3 months, and all we're getting is lip service. This is like ridiculous. There's a law. You cannot unreasonably withhold a lease transfer. Yeah. Do you think this guy's listening? He's like Mr. Wonderful. He has 28 buildings under his command. Things are happening. And a lease assignment obviously is not his top priority. In fact, if a landlord has a tenant in place, they're paying their rent, that's all they want to know, and you don't complain. So I think some of them believe they give you a hard enough time that you'll go away. It is so aggravating. So I called the guy, he doesn't call me back. The seller and the buyer have been calling them for weeks. The seller's attorney, buyer's attorney calling, not getting anywhere. So finally I say, please, and then we're working through the super. Maybe the super can do something, superintendent of the building. So I said, let me go into the city. I'm just going in and go right to his friggin' office. So go to his office. He's not there, obviously. I called him in the morning. He's not there. I brought a little gift, I don't get paid on this leasing information and the transfer. I get no fees for it. I'm just a dental broker, and I know a couple people in both the 2 buildings they have. I think they have 30 buildings. So I'm just a dental broker, but I went by to give a courtesy introduction since I'll be doing more deals. He starts, now the secretary says he's not here. She gets him on the phone, and he said, who are you? like he's too friggin' important. I said, look, I'm the dental broker. I get no fee for the real estate. I'm just trying to expedite. Well, you need an appointment with me, and you just can't come into my office. I said, I know, but I have a little courtesy gift, and I'm not looking for a fee. So I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to expedite this. He said, well, we're doing everything we can. We're trying to expedite. It's a nice seller. We're doing what we can. So basically, he's giving me lip service, just like he gave everybody else. So what I did, he thinks I'm going to give up. You can forget about it, because I've done this so many times. Just go to their office and sit there. Let him yell at me. I don't care. At least he's remembering who I am. So what I did was I gave the secretary a little gift, one of these battery cell packs for her phone, pink color, of course. And she loved it. I said, look, we got to get to this. We got to get this lease assignment done for the doctor. This has to be done. She's like, I don't know. I'll talk to him. I said, please get on this case. So I don't think she's going to forget that little gift I gave her. Then I left him a gift. Maybe it'll soften him up. I don't know. Most brokers, you think are going to do this? It's 107 degrees. All kinds of traffic. Forget it. The other brokers are never going to do this. I believe this is what separates from the other ones. We work exceedingly hard to make things happen. We go out of the way. And I was very courteous to this leasing professional. But of course, I know he's a blank. But what are you going to do? That's the hands we've been dealt. So I gave him a call, and I made contact. And the seller couldn't believe I actually got him on the phone. You've got to work through the second in command sometimes. And this was the secretary receptionist at the front desk. Work on the second command. Build that relationship. And now I think I have a little bit of a bond with her. That is the secretary. So maybe it's something, it's a simple gift, but it's a gift of gratitude. So hopefully she likes it, and hopefully he likes his gift. I don't know, but you need a broker that's going to go out of the way. 105 degrees, believe me, forget about it. I don't want to be here. But I'm here, and making it happen, that's what you've got to do. You can't be arrogant, yell, and scream. Just say, hey, I'm trying to get something together here. That's all I want. Will he remember me? Hopefully. I don't know if he'll put me on the top of the list, but he knows who I am. So now I'll start sending him probably gifts in the mail. He'll keep seeing my face, and I keep sending him gifts, whatever it takes. I've done this a couple times before. Done it with building inspectors and other people. Go right in their office and sit down. They say, I don't have time to see you. And I tell them, there's no problem. I got a lot of paperwork today, and I have my lunch with me. Driving me crazy. That's what you got to do. I actually like all this action. All right, I'll see you. Thank you. Bye now.